Okay, I think I may have messed up a little bit. When I showed you the patch earlier in my first video on how I had to fill in that part, I was looking at it before I even decided to put my board down, and I noticed there was an actual 2x4 basically going this way, that I was actually able to attach the board that I am putting down on basically 3 sides instead of just the 2. So what I decided to do was remove that part, pull my board forward, and I am actually going to attach it there, which means that over here where the fridge actually sits and my dishwasher sits, I think I'm going to actually have to attach another board, because I am looking underneath the dishwasher and it looks like this same press board. So I'm thinking that that is my next step. A little hiccup, but you know, hiccups happen and you get over them and then you move on. So this is what I've done. Okay, so what I did is I just put my board down. It's not actually attached yet, but what I did is I moved it all the way over to the other spot that I showed you guys in the last video that was also press board. So I just pulled it more this way, but then now I have this left over. And I do have one more board right there. I actually figured out the dimensions, which I was going to be able to bring this board over, this one over that way, so that I could place it on that 2x4. So now what I know I'm giving myself more and more and more work. But what I'm thinking about doing is I had to remove the wall for the dishwasher. I will put that one up once I'm done with my flooring. But now I'm thinking about taking my dishwasher completely out and putting this board right here, starting here where this one ended, and just going forward. Another update. All right, I found out that my 2x4s underneath my house are 18 inches apart. This house was built in 1968, so it is really, really, really old, this mobile home. I'm used to them being 24 inches apart. These are only 18. So I actually have a basically square piece of wood. So I'm thinking this hole right here, gonna put in the square piece of wood. Honestly, it will not support my dishwasher from the back end, but as you guys know, I don't use my dishwasher. I always hand wash my dishes. My dishwasher tends to hold Tupperware. So, I mean, it's not really gonna be that heavy. It will be supported in the front, because there is a stud right there where my air vent is. All right, so this is what I'm talking about. So as you can see, the lines on the floor. All right, so this is where it would start, go along that line, come up through there, and then of course it would go to, there are actually 2x4s right there, so I will just extend it on the other piece. But you can see right here also that I still have all this plywood all right here, and I'm just afraid that I know that my refrigerator is going to sit about right here. So what I'm thinking I have to do is I have to build that a little bit more, but I found same plywood. Serious, this might need a 3-part series. Okay, so I had already moved my dishwasher. Had to unplug the water line. I will actually need to plug the water line back in because I did have to turn the water completely off to the house, which I still have to do dishes. So that won't work. And I know that my roommate likes to take a shower when he gets home from work. So I've got to do that. But this is definitely going to be a 3-part series instead of a 2-part, like what I said before on the first video, because I actually have to do more work than I thought I would. But I'm glad that I see all of this right now, and I am able to fix this to where everything will be able to be supported underneath my house. I mean, for right now, I have had to do this previous. My dad used to come in here and fix my flooring for me. But he has passed away, so it is now my job. And I did watch him, which is a good thing. And so now I have to do the rest of my kitchen tonight because my kitchen is a mess and I've got to clean it up and it's really bothering me. But, you know, fixing the floor I think is a really good thing. So let me get to this part of the floor, and I will show you what I have done after I finish it, and I will show you the piece that I'm going to put in. So let's get to this part too. Okay, part 2 is complete. I still have to do my hole for my other piece of wood, but I am very happy with what I have done so far. Step 3 will be right up there. Please watch all 3 videos to understand exactly what I have to go through in my house. Please leave me some comments down below. I did ramble a little bit during this video, but you know, memories are memories. So who are you going to tell them to? The whole world, right? So if you guys like this video, please subscribe down below. Please hit the like button and ring that notification bell. And we'll see you in the next one. I'm tired. I'm going to go to bed now. Bye.